Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First we're beginning the colors. Scarlet color, hazel pink color, geranium color, Persian blue color, forest green color, light violet color. The next one is cool gray color. Stay with us. Black color, yellow color, exactly yellow color. Rose big color. Kids, the next one is mint blue color, and the last one is baby blue color. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Hazel pink color. Now we're writing alphabet A. A for apple A. B for ball B. C for cat C. D for dog D. E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish F. The next one is G. G for God G. Forest green color. H for hand H. I for eyes I. J for jackfruit J. K for kite K. L for lemon L for lion L. M for moon M for mango M. N for nose, N for nest, N. Kids, the next one is O. Rose big color. O for octopus, O. P for penguin, P. Q for queen, Q. R for rose, R for rice, R. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T. U for umbrella, U. Black color. Now we draw the alphabet of V. V for van, V for vanilla, V. W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.